Today I'm going to show you how to link the CPOD Gen 3 RC remote control to your CSNL compatible fixtures, and it's very simple. I'm going to hit the power switch and turn the light on, and as you can see, it is indeed linked. I'm changing the color with remote control. I can turn it off, I can turn it on, I can do whatever I want to do. Just for fun, let's unlink it. I'm going to turn the fixture off. I'm going to turn it on, and within 3 seconds I'm going to press and hold the on button and keep it held down until you see this. Now the remote is no longer linked. I can't do anything with the remote control. Alright, let's link it back up. Turn it on, and within 3 seconds press and hold the on button. And we're good to go. It's that simple. That's all you have to do. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Practice and enjoy.